Hey, it's Eddie with National Billiard Academy, and welcome to this new series, Pool Etiquette, and how to use it to gain a strategic advantage at the table. Enjoy. One of the ways that we can gain a strategic advantage at the table while maintaining etiquette is avoiding confrontation. Once you get into a confrontation, or any other conversation, as I've mentioned, you lose focus. So let's take one example. We're in an 8-ball match, and my opponent is attempting to hit the 13 with the cue ball. There's an excellent chance for a foul in this situation. The cue ball could come off of the 13 and scratch. So my opponent's going to try to hit the 13 very full. And that presents a possibility for striking the 3 first, creating a foul. So if my opponent strikes the 3 ball first and it's a foul, I'll never convince my opponent that this actually occurred. My opponent's going to say, no, I hit the 13 first, and then the cue ball bounced back and hit the 3. Because that's what his vision showed him. You know, in the clinic, we go through exactly how you should use your vision to be as accurate as possible. There's a ton of science on this subject, and you don't always see exactly what happened, and we'll prove that to you. So, how do we avoid this confrontation? Follow your league rules that tell you exactly how to choose someone from the room, not on either team, to come and watch the shot as an independent observer. Now, most leagues will not allow you to use video or your cell phone to record this. You have to have someone in the room. So follow your league rules, but avoid the confrontation, which totally messes with your focus, and have someone watch any shot that's close. You're being nice, you're being polite, and yet you're being strategic. At the Intensive Pool Clinic, we'll show you how to employ these and many other techniques to give you a strategic advantage at the table. I want to thank Team NBA for their help, Sure Thing Billiards, and I want to thank you for watching. Take care.